Welcome to Verse Reviews. Today, we dive into the breathtaking 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB, a car that redefines what it means to be a hybrid supercar. The Ferrari 296 GTB is a masterclass in engineering, blending electrification with pure driving passion. It's not just another hybrid, it's a revolution from Maranello. Under its sculpted hood lies a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine paired with an electric motor, producing a staggering combined output of 830 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, minus 830 horsepower in a V6-powered Ferrari. This power propels the 296 GTB from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.9 seconds. And it doesn't stop there. The top speed exceeds 330 kilometers per hour, putting it firmly in hypercar territory. But the 296 GTB isn't just about raw speed, it's about balance. It uses Ferrari's latest dynamic control systems, like the ESSC Amatino and the 6-way chassis dynamic sensor to give you total command. Whether you're on the road or the track, one of the most impressive features is its plug-in hybrid system. With a 7.45 kilowatt-hours battery, the car can run purely on electricity for up to 25 kilometers. That means silent, emission-free driving when you need it, and thunderous power when you want it. The design is unmistakably Ferrari, sleek, aerodynamic, and aggressive. From its LED headlights to the active rear spoiler, every line serves a purpose. The car's compact, low-slung body screams performance. Step inside, and you're welcomed by Ferrari's driver-focused cockpit. The digital instrument cluster, carbon fiber trim, and sporty Alcantara seats make it clear this is a machine built for driving. Even with all this performance, the 296 GTB offers daily usability. It features advanced driver aids, Apple CarPlay, and a refined suspension system that balances comfort with aggression. Ferrari has taken a bold step with the 296 GTB, proving that hybrid technology can enhance, not dilute, the driving experience. It's not just the future of Ferrari, it's the future of supercars. The 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB is a symbol of innovation, speed, and Italian soul. It's a thrilling chapter in Ferrari's legendary story. Thanks for watching Verse Reviews. If you love exotic cars, cutting-edge performance, and deep dives into automotive excellence, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next drive.